Hello, my friends. It's wonderful to see you. Remember to click subscribe and hit the like button for more adventures. Get your mat ready, take a big breath, and let's get started. All right, let's go.
Pose one wrist stretch on all fours. In tabletop, turn your fingers back toward your knees and gently shift your weight to feel a stretch through the wrists and forearms. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 3 wide leg side stretch. Stand with legs wide, reach one arm overhead, and lean to the opposite side, stretching through your ribs. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 4, standing quad stretch. Stand tall, bend one knee, and grab your ankle behind you, keeping your knees close together as you lift your chest. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 6, head to knee pose. Sit with one leg extended and the other bent. Fold over the straight leg, reaching toward the foot while keeping the spine long. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 7, reclined twist. Lie on your back, draw one or both knees toward your chest, and let them fall to one side while you look in the opposite direction. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 8, standing side bend. Stand tall, reach both arms overhead, clasp your hands, and lean gently to one side, lengthening through the side body. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 9, easy pose. Sit cross-legged with a neutral spine. Relax your shoulders and rest your hands on your knees, finding a comfortable, steady seat. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 1-0, eagle pose. Wrap one thigh over the other and one arm under the other. Sit your hips down and lift your elbows to shoulder height. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 1-1, toe squat. From kneeling, tuck your toes under and sit back on your heels, keeping your spine tall to stretch the soles of the feet and toes. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 1-2, supine hamstring stretch. Lie on your back, extend one leg toward the ceiling, and gently pull it closer with your hands or a strap. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 1-3, revolved triangle pose. From pyramid pose, place your opposite hand outside the front foot and twist your torso, lifting the other arm up. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 1-4, tree pose. Stand tall, place one foot on the opposite inner leg, and press palms together at your chest, finding a steady gaze. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 1-5, fire log pose. Sit with shins stacked like logs, one ankle over the opposite knee, and fold forward slightly to feel a hip stretch. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 1-6, mountain pose. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Press all four corners of the feet into the mat. Lengthen your spine and relax your shoulders. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pose 1-7, tabletop pose. Come onto hands and knees with wrists under shoulders and knees under hips, keeping your back neutral. Breathe slowly and evenly.
Wonderful job, my friends! You moved with such grace today. If you had fun, please like the video and subscribe to join our team. Invite your friends to practice next time. Big breath in, smile, and relax. See you soon. Bye-bye.